Good morning, students. Today we will be starting the first lesson of your maths. What is the name of that lesson? Let us see. The name of the lesson is large numbers. The name of the lesson is large numbers. Okay. Okay, students. See here. Name of the lesson is what? Large numbers. Okay. So no need of writing this. Okay. In your classwork. Do one thing, open your classworks. What all I will tell to write, you should write. I'll tell to write. When I will tell to start, that time you start. Till then, don't write anything. Okay? Okay. See, listen to the explanation now. See, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. All these numbers or all the symbols are called as digits. Okay, they are called as digits. Using these digits I can form numbers. Okay, using these digits I can form numbers. Okay, so 1. Okay, this is how many digit number? It is 1 digit number. Okay. 20. 20 is 20. This is how many digit number? This is 2 digit number. So here only one number is there. So we are calling it as one digit number. Here 1, 2. 2 is also there, 0 is also there. So it is a 2 digit number. Let us say 1, 5, 6. This is how many digit number? This is 3 digit numbers. This is a 3 digit number. Why? See, 1 digit, 2, 3. 1 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there in this number. There are 3 digits in this number. So I am calling it as 3 digit number. So same thing will continue. We will have 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit numbers also. Even sometimes we will have 10 digit number also. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now let us see which is the smallest one digit number. One digit number which is the smallest? Smallest, right. Let us say largest. 2 column I am making. One is smallest, another is. So 1 digit smallest number will be smallest number. Let us say smallest number. 1 digit smallest number will be what? 1 digit smallest number will be 0. Okay. One digit largest number will be what? What is 2 digit first number? 2 digits first number is 10. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. 9 is the 1 digit largest number. Okay. Next, second one, 2 digit smallest number will be, for this 0 I should add 1 before the 0. 1 0 10. 10 is the smallest 1 digit number. What will be the largest 2 digit number? 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. What will be the largest 2 digit number? It is 99. Okay. Similarly, 3 digit smallest number will be what? You can tell me now. It will be 100. See, 1 2 3, there are 3 digits now. So smallest 3 digit number is 100. Now can you tell me what can be the largest 3 digit number? Largest 3 digit number will be 999. Okay. So for 4 digit smallest number will be 1000. So 4 digits are there. So what is this? 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. Then what will be the largest 4 digit number? 9999. That is 9999. This will be your what? It will be your largest 4 digit number. Similarly, 5 digit, let us come. 5 digit, how can I write? I should write 1 first. Since we want another 4 digits, I will write 4 zeros. Totally 5 digits. One digit is 1 I am writing. The second digit is 0, third also 0, fourth also 0, fifth also 0. So for smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. Okay. So what will be the largest 5 digit number? 19234 5. So 99,999 will be your largest 5 digit number. Similarly, you can write 6 digit number, also largest number of 6 digit and smallest number of 6 digit. How I am writing? See, for 2 digit number I will write 1 and 10. Smallest 2 digit number means 1 I will write and write 10. For 3 digit I will write 1 and 2 zeros. For 4 digit I will write 1 and 3 zeros. Smallest 4 digit number, that will be 1000. For 5 digit I will write 1 and how much? I will write 1 and I will write 4 zeros. Okay, one more thing you should notice here. Largest 1 digit number is what? 9. If I add 1 to 9, I will get what? I will get the smallest 2 digit number. See, 1 is the smallest 1 digit number. If I add 9 is the smallest 1 digit number. If I add 1 to 9, I will get the smallest 2 digit number. Similarly, largest 2 digit number is 99. If I add 1 to 99, I will get smallest 3 digit number, that is 100. Again, largest 3 digit number is what? 999. If I add 1 to this, I will get what? I will get smallest 4 digit number. So what is the largest 4 digit number? 9999. If I add 1 to this, I'll get smallest 5-digit number. If I add 1 to the largest 4-digit number, I'll get the smallest what? I'll get the smallest 5-digit number. Okay, understood? Now, till this class, like till now you are in fifth standard now. Till 4th standard, all of you have learned around like 5-digit number is maximum, correct? No. Let us learn about 7-digit, 8-digit, 9-digit, 10-digit numbers. Okay. Let us start with 7-digit numbers. Visible, huh? Okay, let us start with 7-digit numbers. 7-digit numbers means what? There will be what? Tell me. There will be 7 number of digits. Okay. How to write 7-digit number? Let me see. How to write a 7-digit number? Let us see. Okay. Give an example of 7-digit number. Any 7 numbers you can write. Let us take 1, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 digits are over. 4th digit I will write 6. 5th digit let me write 7. Then 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is over. Last let me write 9. Okay, so this is a 7-digit number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a 7-digit number. I'll write them separately. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 7 digits in this number. So this is called as 7-digit number. Okay. So which is the place of this number 9? It is the ones place. This is 10. Tenths. This is hundreds. Okay, this will be thousands. This is 10,000s. This is lakh. This will be 10 lakh. Okay, understanding now? So places. How to see the places? From your right side, the first number will be in. See, from this is the right side. No, from your right side, first number is in ones place. Second number will be in tens place. Third number will be in hundreds place. Fourth number will be in, fourth digit will be in what? Thousands place. Fifth digit will be in 10,000s place. Sixth digit will be in lakh place. Seventh digit will be in 10 lakh place. Okay. Now, what are these? These are called as places. Okay. These are called as places. Okay. Now, hundreds, tens and ones together they are called as ones. Okay. 1,000, 10,000 and 1,000 together they are called as thousands. 10 lakh and 10 lakh and lakh together they are called as lakhs. Okay, understood? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, these are called as places. Ones, thousand and lakhs are called as what? Yes, it is called as periods. Okay, it is called as periods. Now why do we need these periods? Why do we need these periods? Let us see. So while reading number, how will you come to know that how to write in the word form? See, while reading I'll tell you to write the given number in the form of words. Okay, how will you write? Okay, so for writing that only we should know the places and we should know the periods. Periods are very important. Okay, these periods are what? Ones, thousands and lakhs for 7-digit number. Okay, now see, in Indian value system, after first three 1, 2, 3 ones, tens and hundreds, I'll put a comma. Okay, I'll put one comma. Why? These three are in the ones period, correct? No? Then 1000 and 10,000, that is 6 and 5. After this they belong to thousands period. No, so I can put one comma here. Okay, then remaining is what? 1 and 4, they belong to lakhs period. Okay, so according to the periods I'll put comma. See, hundreds, under hundreds what all is there? 7 is there, 8 is there, 9. Under one period what all numbers are there? 7, 8, 9, correct? No, all these numbers are there under ones. So after all the three numbers I am putting one comma. Okay, that is after the ones period I am putting the comma. Okay, under thousands period how much numbers are there? 5 and 6. See here, 5 and 6. So after 5 and 6 I am putting a comma. Okay, under lakhs period how much is there? 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 as it is we are writing. Okay, if one more extra number was there, I was putting comma here also. Okay, so after each period I should put a comma. Okay, if there is a question, any 7-digit number you write 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 7, 2. See, this is a 7-digit number. Put the commas according to the Indian value system, they will ask. How will you put? After first three numbers. This is ones place, tens place, hundred place. After ones, tens and hundred place I will put one comma because this is under the ones period. See, ones period I told, no? These three are under the ones period. Now what is this? This is thousands, correct? No, this is 10,000. So 10,000 and 1,000 will come under what? Thousands period. So I'll put one comma here. Now this is what? 15, correct? No, this is the place is what? Lakhs. This is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs. So if I want to write in words, how I will write? See, next to this comma what is there? There is 15. So I will write first 15. 15, correct? No. So 15 I have written. In which period? In which period this is there? Lakhs period. No. So I will write 15 lakh. Okay. Next numbers are 6 and 8. These two are in one period. Correct? No. 6 and 8 means what? 68. So I will write 15 lakhs I have written. Next to 15 lakhs I will write 68. It is in which period? It is in 1000 period. So I will write 68,000. Okay. Last is in what? These three numbers are in ones period. So I will write what? How can we read these three numbers? 972. No, 972. Forget about all these numbers. These three numbers, how will you read? 972. So I will write 972. And 72. Okay, 972. This is how you write in the word form. How to put commas you have learned, no? After first three numbers, that is ones, tens and hundreds place, we should put one comma. After the then after two numbers, that is thousands and 10,000 place, I will put one comma. Then lakhs and 10 lakhs. See, let us see for 8-digit numbers how to write. Okay, now which is this first place? It is ones, this is tens, this will be hundreds, this is thousands, this place is 10,000, this place is lakh, this is 10 lakh, this will be crore. Okay. So how will I write the number? After first, for writing the numbers in words, what I should do? I should put commas, correct? No. So these three are in which period? They are in ones period. These two are in 10,000 and 1,000 are in thousands period. These two are in lakhs period. This one will be in crores period. Okay, this one single thing is there, no, 7. This will be in crores period. Okay, so after the first three numbers I will put one comma. After then thousands place and 10,000 place I will put one comma, because these two are under one period, that is 1000 period. Now after 4 and 8 I will put 1 comma. Why? These two are under lakhs period. 10 lakh and lakhs place is under what? It will be under lakhs period. Period is different, places are different, keep in mind. This is in crores period. So I have written 7 as it is. Okay. If it is a 9-digit number, what will we do? One number extra is there, means here 10 crore it will become. 10 crore. Okay. Okay, 10 crore it will become. Then this number will be 9-digit number. Same comma placement will be there. Okay. understanding. So how can I write these numbers in words? Let me see. First, starting from here, it is these two numbers are in which period? In crores period. So what is this? 1 7 is 17. So it is in crores period, so I should write crore here. 17 crore. Okay. After this two number, what is coming? It is coming. It next will be lakhs period. No, these two numbers. Only after this comma and this comma, between these two commas, what is there? 8 and 4. That will be 84. 84. It is in which period? It is in lakhs period. So I should write 84 lakhs. Okay, 84 lakh. Next will be 01. So 01 means what? 1 only. 1. In which period it is there? It is there in thousands period. So 1000. Last three numbers, how can I write? Forget all this. How can I write? 723. So I'll write 723. Okay, so this is how we will write the numbers in words. Okay, everyone, please open your notes. Today's date, let us write 1908, that is 8th month 2020. 8 months means what? August month. Okay, write the name of the lesson. Large numbers. Okay, what is the first exercise? It is given as activity 1. Okay, activity 1. You can read here. If you have textbook, please open the textbook and read the first question. Yes, first main is what? First main is, let us write it as exercise 1. First main will be read the following. Write the heading fast, looking at your textbook. Read the following numbers by placing commas at appropriate. Spelling I'll tell: APPROPRIATE. Appropriate periods. I've told about periods now. Which are all the periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. These are the 4 periods. Okay. And appropriate periods, and write their names. Write their names. Okay, understood, students? Okay, which is the first number? The first number is which one? First number will be 2 4 7 3 4 5 2. I should place the commas and write the name of the word, name of the number in words. I should write name of the number in words. I should write by placing the commas. First, for writing the name, I have already told now how to place commas. The first number is in ones place, second is in tens, then hundreds. These three come under which period? It come under ones period. So after these three, I will put one comma. Okay. So then what? This is the thousands place. This is the 10,000 place. Okay. These two will come under thousands period. So I will put one comma here. These two are in lakhs period. Okay. Okay. So how can I write the name? How can I write? 24. This is 2 4 is 24. No. TWENTY 24. FOUR. It is in which period? 24 is in lakhs period. So I will write 24 lakhs. Next is what? After 24 lakhs, what will come? 73. 73 is in which period? 73 is 73. 73 is in which period? Thousands period. So I will write 73,000. I am writing 73,000 because 7 and 3 is in thousands period. Okay. Last one will be ones period. So what are the three numbers? How can I read this? 4, 5 and 2. 452. So I will write the same thing. 400 HUNDRED 50 FIFTY 52. Okay. This is how I will write this is how I will place the commas and write the name of the number given. Okay. Please copy it fast. See, if you think I cannot copy fast, you can pause the video, copy the answer, then you can play. Okay. Let us come to the second one. Second one is what? 4 6 5 3 1 0. Okay. So solution, let us write this number once again. 4 6 5 3 1 0. Okay. So how many digit number is this? This is a 6 digit number. Okay. How to place the commas? Let me see. Please tell me how to place the commas. After ones, tens and hundred place, I should place one comma. After 1,000 and 10,000 place, one comma. Only 6 digits are there, so this much only. Okay. So 4 is in which period? 4 is in lakhs period. 65 is in thousands period. 310 is in which period? It is in ones period. So how can I write this? 310. Okay, so let us write the name of the number. Name will be 4 lakh. Why I am writing 4 lakh? 4 is in lakhs period, so I am writing 4 lakh. Next is 65 is 65. 65 what? 65 is in which period? Thousands period, so I'll write 65,000. Okay. Next is what? 310. So 310 is one in ones period, so I'll write directly 310. 310. Okay, this is how you will write the name of the second number. Come on, let us go to the third number. Which is the third number? Third number will be, which is the third number? Third number will be 1946380. 1946380. So solution, I'll write 1946380. See, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. So these three belong to ones period, so I'll put 1 comma here. This is thousands and 10,000. This is thousands place, this is 10,000 place. These two will belong to ones period, thousands period. No, thousands period, it is belonging to the period 1000. So after this two I am putting the comma. These two numbers 1 and 9 will be belonging to lakhs period. So how can I write the name? 19. 19 lakhs. Next is what? 46,000. THOUSAND is 1000. Last is 380. 380. That's all. Okay, so fourth one will be your homework. Mark it in your textbook. This fourth one will be your homework. You solve it in your rough book. Okay, this will be your you should solve it in classwork only. Write first main and write fourth number, and you can write it in your classwork only. But first you should try in your rough book, then you should copy to classwork, confirm that it is correct or not, and then you should write into classwork. I'll go to the fifth one is 7612 876 7612876. Solution I'll write same. How I will write the solution? Same. First I will copy the same number to place the commas. After see ones place, tens place, hundreds place. After these places 1 comma because they belong to the period ones. After 1000 and 10,000 place 1 comma because these two belong to the period what? They belong to the period 10,000. Sorry, thousands period they will belong. These 7 and 6 will belong to lakhs period. Okay, so I will write the name 76 lakhs. Okay, 76 lakhs. Next will be what? After lakhs what will come? 12,000. 12,000. 12,000. Okay. Last is what? 876. Okay, so 76 lakhs 12,876. Placing the commas also you know, writing the name also you know. Second main, let us see what is the second main. Second main will be use an abacus to show the place values of the given numbers and write them in words. Okay, so copy down the heading of the second main. Use an abacus to show the place value of the given numbers. Copy along with me only and write them in words. Here some numbers are given. We should use the help of the abacus diagram and I should write the name of these words. Okay, what is first question? 7 8 3 2 sorry 7 8 2 3 4 7 8 2 3 4. See, abacus means like this. Okay, using this diagram I should write what? The diagram I should write to understand the place values, then I should write the name. Okay, so for 5-digit number and 6-digit number we should use this abacus. 7-digit also same abacus I will use, that is crore, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, then 100, 10 ones. This only I will use. Okay, this abacus only I will use. For 9-digit number or greater than 9-digit number, 10 crore will get added. Okay, 10 crore will get added. Okay, so how to write, let us see. So what is the, how to write the abacus for this number? First will be ones, second will be, first is ones place, second is tens, third will be hundreds, fourth will be thousands, fifth will be 10,000. Okay, sixth will be lakhs, sixth will be lakhs, seventh will be what, 10 lakh. Okay, last one will be what, crore. For each and every box you write a line like this. See, I am doing rough diagram. Please use pencil and scale to draw this. Okay, while drawing in your classwork, use pencil and scale. Okay, so this is the first number, no, that is 4. So I will write 4 balls here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I have written 4 balls. Okay, this is 10th place. 10th place, the second one is, this is the 10th place. No, how much number is there? 3. So I will write 3 balls. Okay, so I have written 3 balls. In 100 place, how much it is there? 2. So I will write 2 balls. Okay, next in thousands place, how much it is there? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 balls I have written. Okay, next will be 10,000 place, it is 7. So I write 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the abacus diagram for the above number. Correct now? So how to write this in words? Let us see. The answer, name of the numbers in words is, again see, 10,000 and 1000 will come under one period. That will be what? That will be what? That is, the period name is 1000. Remaining 100, 10 and 0 will come under what? It will come under the period ones. So how I will write? 78. So I'll put one comma here. Okay, this is the number. So this is the solution. Okay, sorry, this crore, it has come this side of the margin. Please don't write like this in your classwork. Everything should be towards the right of your margin. Okay, now how to write in the words? Let me see. Already we know how to write. Let me see how to write. 78, it is in thousands period. So I will write 78,000, THOUSAND, thousand, 2 HUNDRED, 130, 30 24. This is how you will write. How will you write the name of the number using abacus? It is shown in this sum. Okay. The name of the number is 78,234. Okay. Let's go to the next sum. What is the next sum? Next number will be in the same in 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again I should write the abacus. Okay. First box will be ones, second box will be tens, third box will be 100, fourth box will be thousands, fifth box will be 10,000, sixth box will be what? Lakhs, seventh box will be 10 lakh, eighth box will be crores. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. For every box write one line like this. Using scale and pencil you should draw, children. So what is the first number? 8. This is in ones place, so I should write 8 balls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next in tens place how much balls are there? 7 balls, so I should write 7 balls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the third place is 100 place. What is the number? 6. So 6 balls you should write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which in the 10,000 place what is there? It is, sorry, first in the 1,000 place what it is there? 5. So 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now let me see, in 10,000 place how much it is there? 4 balls. Correct? No, so 4 I should write. 1, 2, 3, 4. In lakhs place how much it is there? Please tell me. In lakhs place it is 2. 1, 2. Okay. So how can I write the name using this diagram? Name I will write it as, see, this 2 will be in one period, lakh separate will be in one period, and this 3 will be in one different period. Okay. This, how can I write? First I can write 2 lakhs, because see, these 2 are in one period now, so I will write 2 lakhs. Next will be what? 2 lakhs 56,000. Okay. Then it will be 678. So using abacus I have written the name of the number. Okay, third one is your homework. I'll go directly for your fourth one. Okay, so which is the first box? Ones. Second box is tens. Third box will be hundreds. Fourth box will be thousands. Fifth box will be 10,000s. Sixth box will be lakhs. Seventh box will be 10 lakh. Eighth box will be crore. For every box draw one line. Fourth question, what is the number? The number is 3789787550. So in ones place what is there? 0 is there. So nothing I will write. For the 0 abacus, that is in the ones place, I will not write any balls. Okay. In 10th place, how much? 5 balls. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, because here 5 it is there. In hundreds place 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In thousand place 8 is there, so I write 8 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, then again in 10,000 7 balls are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, in lakhs place there are how many balls? There are 9, so I should write 9. See, 9 is the digit present in the lakhs place, correct? No, so I'll write 9 balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, 9 balls are present. So in 10 lakhs place how much it is there? 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, in crores place it is 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So what will be your last box? It will be 10 crore. See, here there are totally 9 digits, so I am adding the 10 crore box also. So in 10 crore how much it is there? 3, correct? No, 1 2 and 3. Okay, this is the abacus diagram for the number. See how to write in words, let me tell you. So first two are in one period, that is crores period. Second two are in lakhs period. Then these two are in what? Thousands period. And these three are in ones period. So I will write 37 crores. So name is what? This will be the solution. This diagram. Name is what? 37 crore. Crore spelling is C-R-O-R-E, crore. 37 crore 80 80 9 lakh 37 crore 89 lakh 78,700 700 HUNDRED. You can see, no, 750. 750. This will be the abacus diagram. And one more, name of the number given. Abacus diagram and name of the fifth one will be your homework. Totally you have 3 sums for homework. One is first main fourth one, second main third one, and last the second main last one. These 3 are your homeworks. Okay students, that's all for today. We'll continue the third, fourth and fifth main in your next class. Okay, thank you.